Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Tech 360. Quality Council of India, that is QCI, has started the online registration for the recruitment post of Examiner of Patents and Designs. If you haven't seen our previous video regarding all the details of QCI recruitment notification, then you can refer the video link given in the description. For online registration, you can log on to QCI official website www.qcin.org, then click on Recruitment Notification 2023 for the post of Examiner of Patents and Designs. Here you can see three options. If you haven't gone through the official notification yet, then you can download here. For the online application, click on portal link for registration. Here you can see the important details like examination fee and important dates. The last date for the online application is on 4th of August 2023. Examination fee is 1000 rupees for general and OBC candidates, candidates of SC or ST category, PWD or differently abled PH category, and women applicants from all categories, and for other person, the examination fee shall be 500 rupees. If you face any issues in the application process, you can contact the QCI help desk team through this mail ID, or you can call to this number. Everyone should register before the application. So in upcoming video, we will discuss in detail on application process. So if you are planning to prepare for QCI exam, then don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We will guide you throughout the exam. For instant updates regarding QCI exam, kindly join us on our Telegram channel, Facebook and Instagram. Link is in the description. So that's all for this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel Tech 360. Thank you.